All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol SPCL. Another beauty here, setting up, taking a look back in the last time that we've taken a look at this one. Was going to put us over here on the 10th. I went through this one myself. It looks like Joe wasn't here. But the last time that we both went through it would have been on February 22nd. And taking a look at the 3rd, which would be right here. Okay, I said watch for a bounce off of the 0045. Just needs volume. The chart is setting up, in my opinion, break of the 0060.7 will send this, in my opinion. And look at what happened yesterday. You guys hit that 6 right off of that. You didn't get it right away, but it did turn around. You guys got up to that 6 that I was watching. And look at, boom, right off of that. And then on the 10th right here, SSL needs a stop, in my opinion, to close at or above 0045. Must hold at 0039, which where do you guys get down to? Yeah, it got right down to it. Look at that. It didn't close below it. It got right down to it. Resistance at 00555 and 60. Again, pow. You guys got up to that 30-day simple moving average. You guys have a little bit of a gap here. The wicks come down. You guys can see that right here in this area. You guys got the lower wicks up. I'm sorry, the upper wick and then the lower wick. There isn't really necessarily a gap there between besides it closing. And that being said, there's a good possibility that this could keep going. Like I said, there's wicks down and wicks up. It kind of closes that gap right there. I personally like to watch for full candle gaps. I'm not going to get into all those, but for right now, I mean, this definitely could keep going, in my personal opinion, off of that. And we're going to continue to watch this one. I mean, looking back in here, look at what happened. I mean, boom, you guys made some massive moves, and it's setting up the same exact way that it did back here in November. Interesting. Very interesting. So keep an eye on this one. I think that could keep going here, in my personal opinion. I really do. SPCL, Joe.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. So there's a stop sign with no information. But their last 8K was on December 1st, and that was in regards to a share exchange agreement where they were basically acquiring Pixel Mags Incorporated. And then what I'm seeing there, like within this 8K, shows that they were basically looking to do a reverse stock split, and it was anticipated to occur on or about January 31st, 2017. Provided such reverse stock split shall only become effective on the date. So I mean, I don't see that. That didn't happen either, did it? No. So, I mean, they did. Let's see. In November 2016, Leonard Caprino resigned as an officer and director of Solaris, and Neil Kleinman was appointed as president and CEO. So, I mean, they have a new president and CEO. They acquired this Pixel Mags Incorporated, and then they stated they were going to do a reverse split that I haven't seen, and there's nothing else, since this 8K right here that was filed on December 1st. So as of right now, man, we're limited on what we can go on within this company. So if you have an opinion on this company, or if you you're looking to do some more due diligence, feel free to go over to that SPCL board on Investors Hangout. From there, you can see the company profile, the time it sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it over on that SPCL board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily.
All right, there you go. So taking a look at, I'm still trying to find the support lines. Okay, so it's going to be, all right, it took me a second here to find a decent level of support, what I would personally go off of. Looking back in here, where are we going to be lining up at? It's 0061, 0061. All right, so let me go ahead and read this one more time. Make sure I covered it all. All right, again, 0082. Watch, in my opinion, setting up just like it did in November 2015 before the big move. Resistance at 009 and 01, support at 007, 0061, small gap at 0062 and 006. But like I said, there's lower and upper wicks there. My personal opinion, it could keep going from here. 0082. Next stop might be The 009, it's just that the chart hasn't flipped over to bullish yet, ironically enough, with the parabolic SAR, but we could probably see that happen here very, very shortly. So keep an eye on SPCL. It might be setting up here for another big move. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock that you're following that you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.